The first time she take a nigga from rope, it does. In my pocket for you, virgin cherry and no nothing and then liquor makes it drink it to see. And as I saw she drink it, man, she feel on the chin. Take off your breath. You know say I know we say a bit puffy. I whisper that in get that to the one that's the worry. She said, give me it, give me it. What up? It's a serious issue. Jamaica, we have to stick to our roots, stick to our culture, unite together with one another. Don't take on a different fashion and a different style. Because we make all style and we create all fashion. We are the inventors. And some next people are some followers. So you see me grown my grandfather. When him said me go tailor, my pants have been up here so. You see, and him tell me say, him pants say, ready me selector. Now when me about it, my girl, she have been look like woman, and me look like what? What me look like? I want that one woman, me go back to. Wake up in the morning and go wake up when it's school. Open up my bathroom and get me some food. Rasta can look up in the middle perfume. Open up my closet and take out a suit. Pants have a room, shirt have a room. If you love the tune, you feel allow. If you love the tune, you feel allow. Have one room to room and you go back to. We know we are so tight, yeah. We never hot like the sexy, yeah. We never walk out. We never walk out, bleach, cause I don't know what some guy them a do. Get them back out to do. You better turn the back party and tool. Running, the news for riding slow. Nobody's in my counteraction. Party, a strip up, our slow band. Frankie and John and do this. The woman them a fix, woman them a screw. Coming up the parlor car. But then they in a bubble. Minott! Chase! General Chase! General Chase! General Chase! General Chase! Original stage Chase! 1 hour! You know you're my brother 1 hour for life. Yeah. Ah, tell up. Can't shot, never shot, tell up. Oh, what are you going to do? Good! Tell him that you know man again. How about the girlfriend? Cool and like we come. Tell him with you man again. How about the girlfriend? Cool and like we come. Let's say. Now I want a man in the dancing. You don't see no man a dance, you man a get no me look up the day, I'm back to the hey! Good! Papa Dolo. Wait up! It's when me see you and you see me. It's short. So what a Garban Dolo? Look at the people are sure. You understand? Oh, I get Garban Dolo. No more, I get the people my son breaking. I get my son. Is it? Wait there now. Again?
Tell them what, dancing woman again. Up and give me girlfriend, cool and like the current. Tell them what, dance with me woman again. Up and give me girlfriend, cool and like the current. Listen me good. Now I want in the dancing. Me no see no man dancing, no man again. I'm love on the flavor, I'm back again. Suppose I do no baby and them. Turn them the top and I select them. I play the two line and wheel and come and be select them. Take a road to an extra more of a wood. But to do the jungle and my answers and then down with them. Play no shame and me call me girlfriend. Play some just to give up your end. They go behind the other sibling. They go to eight toes and look back when I'm not done. Cool and light the way. Tell them dance. When the woman again. I'll go and speak to my girlfriend. Cool and light the way. Now, Dolo. Yes, people. What up?
Hey, you know my other nigger.
I said you want to go to the river. I went to bed. I'm gonna take you to a jail. I said down there. Don't be down there.
What up? Cheese. You know what I'm saying? Try your best. What up, Oliver? Cheese. You know what I'm saying? Try your best, you know. For the people, change the people that want to live and live with. And they want to know how to reach the live. So please, can you tell the people how to reach the live?
No problem, God, I'm doing. Madam. But I'm moving to my leg. Me and boy get me better not send down there and don't be no way. Oh, I think it's going baby. Make sure everything right. I said to her cultivation. She going really deep light. Me just, it's a little bit, it's a little bit. Ada. But I know this, I'm gonna say,
don't run to the window. Black Scorpio, Echo Minor, General Trees. See, Echo Minor, General Trees, Liquor Trees. See the crew here. General Trees, we're ready for the war again. Come on.
I'm mistaken. Again? But I was on the I live, maybe not you need. But I was on the I live, but I'm not trying to live that you need. You have a long time, I need shop. It's so good, part to a part. You have a long time, I'm the street, I'm a free down here, and that's a lot to be. You have a long time, I need shop. I'm a little old hotel, people, give me the man, and the moment on the hole, like a hero. Give me the man, and the moment on the hole, like a hero. Because who have the red carpet, leave down me, but it's a Monday night, in the sea, in the evil, in the wow, yeah, that way, hotel, bang, bang, and young dog, something kill. I ain't a button in the bush. Down on top of garden. So we'll get no lots of foreign timbers. I was running to some garden, you know. What up? What it up? Yo, trees. Yes, I go snap a beg you one. You know which one may I beg you? You know which one may I beg you? You know which one may I beg you? You can't find the rhythm anyway, wait. Hey, Echo Miner, to come and get on video, man, tonight. Hold on, the Echo Miner. Many boss me want here upon the one of the trees. And I'm not the out, just act aloud for the people, to me. Come and do it. Hey, hear me now. Hear me now. Don't you know me, never people can judge Jamaica. Many fun people come to Jamaica. One time I just can't do that. I know. I'm the boy with no big good. No. Pull up. Hey. This is something boy. I'm astonished tonight. Because you know what me and General Chief, we were natives. When we say General Chief, let the DJ get there. No DJ can pass. None can pass. And when we see my brother come back, then again, two again. Selassie, different shot, Alifa. Come on, enough respect. When I see me, I'm thinking about my memory lane. Who remember that one from me, little boy? In him, I love your come to me, I love your survival. I love your come to me, I love your survival. I love your come to me, I love your survival. I love your come to me, I love your. If it's not for your mom, I said they go for structure. Someone tell me, say that, no! Someone Kilimanjaro days, you don't tell about trees. You don't know someone get popcorn. You don't know someone get what? Jai Israel. Mayo, Lord of mercy, in them, I love your continue, I love your survival. I love your continue, I love your survival. I love your continue, I love your. If it a for your mom, say they go for structure. If it a for your mom, say they go for structure. Someone tell me, say they find it in a Rhodesia. The next one not about over China. The next one not about Guatemala. The next one not about Angola. It would that they think come from Jamaica. Sorry, tell to me by me old grandmother. Say drink that they think set up your son. He said that take your money and go over doctor. You say that old lady who are will up. What is that now? Go talk with dancehall. I'm talking with room. Tell them about she's that Echo Miner. Talk with dancehall. Gee, where is that? Hola. You want some best side. Don't know, to my mind is a good man. Don't know, to my mind is just a good man. When I shall about talk, it can get me sick. I don't never get my girlfriend wanting. Next time I'm not punching it. What up? Alifa, I'm going to show you how me go say, we God love we and we bless. Right now, I'm going to look at them here. Now you tell him Jah Israel. I don't know, say, in a way, reggae music have to carry on. Jah Israel. Come show them how you stay, my brother.
Yo, uncle. Without my uncle and after Israel, I know the thing going on. Yeah. Dancehall Thursday. Yo, our culture God. Our culture God. Look like from 2000 and the little culture band, boy. Our culture God. Japanese as a ship on Japan. He thinks that we are uncle. You don't see how we come a van. Balance. Yo, the thing change up. Yeah, switch round. Them dangerous ones see the kids drawn. And you really have your kid that listen big cloud. So you know what I got. Give me a mix that one. Fully influenced by the phone. Him a 13 with a 14 with 6 rounds. So you know, from your ears say the 6 round done. Hold on, what? Yeah, the body straight, no half chop. Me a bun off that. Me bun off that. Don't smile, no laughter. True, oh your son fi be your daughter. Who bun off that. Yeah, clear that one against that sister.
What up? What up? You hear me watch this again? 2 little granddaughter. If that try, I bet you my whole family come out. So the big son around this around this little. Yeah, it's not me about the big brother around this one. So the whole family will bring on. So you see, make sure anything you give me, and then look at two, the girl you just give them. Because the first, them see grandfather profile. Until
No, people, we should not do it on stage y'all come back on stage and do it. Oh, where's your honey? You need to try it yourself. Because here one now. You see two popcorn them are going to do the video. They kind of take with the stage line. So that's why we come here. So hear me answer now, people. See, on the behalf of Dancehall Thursday and all of the fans them, everybody around the world who support this platform, I'm glad to say that our objective is to maintain the legacy of this music known as reggae music. And the people them love it and them turn out feet every Thursday. You see, tonight is a great pleasure for all we, Rebel team, the whole team, everybody in here. Little Twitch, we are honor you tonight for the valuable contribution that you has made to this music industry. From in the 80s to the 90s, yo, Twitch, you don't know how long I know you know. And when them shoot up serigraphs sound in a Jonestown school, but then I see you so watch it as a little you. I see you overcome all them adversity there, all them obstacles there and still there. Ladies and gentlemen, put the ones together for General Tree. Put the ones together. Respect to the youth them trees every time. Yeah man, I will honor you tonight. See, we honor you tonight along with the brethren, General Trees. Twitch, we have a trophy for you, trees coming up soon. See, right for our anniversary. After the 17th of the month here, anniversary. Big up yourselves. So Twitch, your night tonight. What up? Great adventure. I do give thanks for the eye showing so much gratitude and for the people of Jamaica to really remember I and present time with the honor. So to honor the people that are here, I have this one to sing. Run it, my selector.
Give respect to we come and respect to manners and courtesy and that carry you to warrior. Respect to we come and respect to manners and courtesy and that carry you to the mother. Bend up your face and come out to a screw. In the video we say no bitch on no dojo. Police man no want your night black and blue. Just listen for my picture when they passing through. Me and the tougher manners with me respect to. Say rain could have fallen and run to it and do. Whether them white and whether them black and whether them purple and blue. Do you want to God knows. Respect to me call that respect to manners and courtesy and that carry you to you. Respect to me call that respect to manners and courtesy and that carry you to them. Say howdy and thank you. Don't broke no square. Anyway me go me manners always there. Stand on the middle of for 3 square. Right down on me foot me have some ice cold beer. Me make another chance and me go check where I'm here. When it not fit me up me never carry no fear. Every time me do and me say we round up here. And after 6 o'clock
What? What are they? People! General Trees is back. Why?
I feel it with the roots and the Irish march and the spirulina. He's back. Well, you hear the song, hear the song, look at it, you know who it is. Hello everybody,
Hold on. It's a pleasure for me and astonished tonight to see General Cheese is back. So we're going to tour the world now. Now wait for so long, the brother is back. And we have to give General Cheese a round of applause. I want Jimmy for so fucking long, man. General Cheese, sorry for my sorry for my language, but it actually.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. We got to see trees, we can't put a DJ a couple months ago, people, because you know him get a strokes. But hear him sound of the best me hear him. See him for about 2-3 years now. And it's all courtesy of the youth here. Little Twitch, try him out. No respect, Twitch. Here's a final song, we'll go up on there.
Alright then, it's now on there. I'm the final. Who never hear this? And to move on, they call me walking Twitch. Me talk, they call me talking Twitch. Me run, they call me running Twitch. Me skip, they call me skipping. Anyway, no, full of lyrics, me sending, full of lyrics, elementary, full of lyrics, me sending, full of lyrics. From 1976, 77, we get the richer. But up on the news, we want me Santa Night, bitch. You can't be winner. I love it all.
Well, little Twitch, pick up yourself for the time. Thank you for the performance. We are back running now. Oh, yeah. When I say little, you say Twitch. Little. When I say general, you say trees. General. When I say echo, you say minor. Echo. When I say dancehall, you say Thursday. No put in